How to make money, or can you make money on Pinterest? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you through quickly on how or if you can make money on Pinterest. Now, can you get paid on Pinterest? Well, of course, yes. You can make money on Pinterest in a variety of ways, including receiving commissions from affiliate link clicks, getting paid for creating sponsored content through Pinterest paid partnership tool, and using Pinterest ads to generate sales for a product or service. How many followers do you need to make money on Pinterest? Well, there is no minimum number of followers required for you to make money on Pinterest. The more followers you have, the more likely you are to earn commissions from affiliate partnerships, get paid for paid promotions, and convert on advertisements. Can you make money as an individual on Pinterest? Well, yes, an individual can make money with a variety of Pinterest strategies, including promoting pins for other brands, posting affiliate links, and advertising your brand through idea pins and product-rich pins. So, to keep things straight, in order to make money on Pinterest you can simply receive commissions from affiliate link clicks, or you can get paid for creating sponsored content. So you can sponsor various contents and get paid for it through the Pinterest paid partnership tool, and you can also use Pinterest ads to generate sales for a product or service. So I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.